Welcome to part 43 of Daily English. Today's situation. Food and restaurants making a reservation. I'd like to make a reservation. Example. I'd like to make a reservation for tonight. Do you have a table for two? Example. Do you have a table for two at 7? I'd like to book a table. Example. I'd like to book a table by the window. What time do you have available? Example. What time do you have available this evening? We have a table at 7:30. Example. We have a table at 7:30 if that's okay. That works for me. Example. 7:30 is perfect. That works for me. Could I have your name, please? Example. Could I have your name, please? I'll confirm the reservation. See you this evening. Example. Thank you for your reservation. See you this evening. Thank you for your help. Example. Thank you for your help. See you tonight. Mini conversation. Receptionist, good afternoon. How may I help you? Customer, I'd like to make a reservation for two, please. Receptionist, we have a table at 7:30. Does that work for you? Customer, yes. That works for me. Receptionist, great. Could I have your name, please? Daily tip. When making a reservation, always mention the number of people, the time you want, and your name. These 3 pieces of information are the most important. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're calling a restaurant. Reserve a table for 2, choose a time, give your name, and confirm the reservation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 44. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.